So now that it's saved, the next thing we need to do is upload this new form into the KoboCollect server. So you can go back to your browser. If you have your accounts logged in, fine. If you haven't, then you need to log into your account. We're going to go to the new upload an XLSForm. We're going to upload browse from our. I have mine saved on the desktop. So here it is, land degradation assessment. The file is in use, so it means I need to close it. So now we open again. And it's going to take some time to upload. Good, so it's done. I'm just going to give a description. Say land degradation assessment tool. Sector, let's say environment sector. I'm going to go with my country and hit on create project. Good. So now the project has been uploaded to the KoboCollect web server under your account. You can check on drafts and you will have it land degradation assessment. If you remember clearly from the slides I shared in the first introduction to KoboCollect Toolbox, I told you you can upload, and once you upload, you can have the opportunity to overview or edit. And if you go through these tabs, it gives you a summary of the tool, 12 questions. I'm the owner. It has not been deployed yet. This is the sector environment. You can choose collect data. You can edit form. You can preview the form. Yes. So these are the two sections. Remember, we created the first section for enumerator details. The name of the enumerator, you can see it's text. Say text. Email, also text. Organization, also in text. Now for the gender, it's not text. Remember, it was a select one. So you're just allowed to select one from this radio button. And then for other persons, nothing is going to show unless you supply the number of other correspondents. And I told you it only works based on the number supplied into this box. So let's say for 2, we expect it to give us 2 forms for 2 correspondents. This is the first form, name of correspondent, the age, the gender, and then the second form for the name of the correspondent, age, and gender. Now, for the section B, I'm just going to fill this up. And then you have the types of the, what is the main land degradation type. It is select one question, so we can just go with one, say biological degradation. And then for what are the direct causes of land degradation, it's a multi-select question, so you can select all if they apply. You can just select one if it's fine. And then the last question is just expert recommendation. So this is just where the expert puts down some notes based on his assessments and expertise. Maybe you can talk about the type of sustainable land management practices he been implemented in the community, or then he can talk about his suggestions and his recommendations to the community on what type of sustainable land management practices to use or anything like that. So yeah, this is just a preview. And then the form, if you have any data collected, it appears here. And then this is just other settings that you would like to change. So now we like to deploy this tool to the KoboToolbox server just so that we can be able to access this tool via mobile devices or our tablets. So I'm going to hit on the deploy button, and great, now it has been deployed. It's been moved from the draft to the deployed tab, so you can see it, land degradation assessment. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to download the KoboCollect app tool on your mobile device, on your Android device rather, or your tablet, and how you can collect data on this device, and then how you can download data. How you can send data from the device to the data tab in your KoboToolbox account, and how you can download this data as a spreadsheet. Thanks for watching.